Okay, so a lot of people have been going into their grade book, and when they have, excuse me, a new button, looks like everybody's using Skyward. It's going to take an hour for it to come up. Okay, so let's say I have this guy right here. A lot of people are clicking the new button, and they're clicking this do not display. There's so much you have to do before you can say no. Do not display is new by his name. Depending on where they came from, depending on what they're doing, it just depends. So the first thing that makes it easy is change it to term grades only. I want to select, it looks like he came from in this county. Actually, this kid particularly did not even show up to school since March 2020, but that's not the point. So you want to look at, he has no language arts class to even pick. Pick the hardest one to pick. So that one's not going to work, so I'm going to go ahead and now I can click that because he has no things to even bring from anywhere else. Let's say you went ahead and you decided, oh, I'm going to go ahead and click the new button and get rid of it. The way to get it back is you click on the kid, go to New Student, and then unclick it. Okay? Then when you go back, you'll have the new button. So for instance, Rosabella, she was Digital Academy somewhere else, or Digital Academy with somebody else, and now she's Digital Academy with me. So when I click her, I do know that she is missing Q1 grades, even though I pulled in the new button. I'm going to do it again so you can see. So term grades only. I'm going to select Miss Lee's language arts class, and I'm going to manually transfer the scores. You can see that Miss Lee gave her an 89, so I'm going to type in 89 here. Now, if something is missing here from wherever it is, you'll have to go and find it, and I'll show you how to do that later. So you want to save the term grades, and then we're going to actually have to go to the quarter that we just entered, which was Q1, and do a whole thing about requesting grade change. And I will send grade change request video next.